Welcome back to VLADA'S place. In this video we're going to talk about the cabbage and if you could grow cabbage in summer. The simple answer is yes. However, cabbage does prefer a little cooler weather for its formation. So in a cooler weather you will be able to form better heads of cabbage. But you can also plant it during the summertime. It's almost July and I'm enjoying these plants as you see early on. I'm not waiting for the head to form. Instead, I'm using these young leaves right now, and this is something that you can do as well. And you can plant cabbage not necessarily for the heads of cabbage, but you can use it instead of lettuce and any other vegetables that you could use in salads. Let me show you how to make a healthy and simple coleslaw.
The next step is just to line up the leaves like this, and I usually do go from the biggest to the smallest, and then you just wrap it up nice and tight, and then you cut it. Let's get rid of this first, and just cut it as small as possible. So they almost come out as the little noodles.
Growing up in Serbia, this was almost a staple food throughout the year. And if we were not eating fresh cabbage salad or coleslaw, we were eating a lot of kraut. So cabbage played a big role in our diet. Some studies are showing that cabbage can help us prevent cancer and maintain healthy bones and healthy blood clotting. It's also great for lowering cholesterol and to keep our blood pressure in check. It's healthy for our heart and it's healthy for our gut. Once we have the salt and the vinegar well combined with the cabbage, you can see the cabbage is now losing a little bit of the fluids. It's time to add olive oil. And I like to use quite a bit of vinegar and olive oil. Now, once you're done, you can finish your salad with some black pepper and maybe a little bit of granulated garlic if you like. But when it comes to serving, you can just eat it as it is, or as we're serving here on a bed of the cold mushroom rice, a little bit of tuna, some avocados, and fresh fruit. Thank you so much for watching this video and for spending time with me. If you like simple videos like that, please subscribe because there are many more on the way. Thanks again and greetings from VLADA'S place.